Shoot!
Fucking shooting. No way, man.
Yeah, you get too.
Push! Battery's died.
Oh, where are they?
Up there.
Oh, it's all. Hello, fella.
Alright.
Oh, come on, running. Oh, you're right.
Yeah. Just replacing the battery.
Can I use your shoulder?
Yeah. I've just been shot.
Got him.
Yeah, but I changed the battery. I got shot while I was changing the battery.
Sorry?
Got shot while I was changing the battery.
Yeah, you're good. Oh, no. Yeah, good.
That's better.
Building on the road. There's 2 guys behind there. That's not taking any sort of all black, sort of a helmet and same guard, same background. Good. Really good.
Back to that building.
A handful of cheaters.
Yeah, no. Right, that one for the cheaters. Can I have your permission? And that me do the run and just go in and shoot them, even when I get shot. On your permission, just to see if they take the hits.
If you get really lit up, then
Yeah.
hand up. Hey,
Just check with Aiden, just to see. I'm going to go there and see.
Aiden, can I send Ghosty on a hit checking mission? If he gets hit a couple times, he's fine to take the first few.
only got 2 minutes left.
So is that a yes or a no?
I mean, he can try if he wants, but he's only got 2 minutes to get it done.
I know, I've got permission to do a head check. I know, I've got permission to do a head check from marshals.
Semi only. Fucking hell, didn't get the full auto around that corner.
I got full permission to do that from the marshals.
Yeah, they're full autoing at less than 6 metres. You've also you're bleeding in your forehead. So.
Yeah. They're full autoing within 6 metres.
This closest bunker, and these 2 people are full autoing at closer than 6.
We got complaints from Chris.
Have we got another
I
one?
know you're probably mates with them, but they are the biggest fucking treats you've ever tried.
Another room there. And they said they've got permission to do that. Let's do that.
I got right the right hand side, I was parallel with the bunker.
Yeah, me and Ghost got to the bunker and 2 of them popped round the corner on either side of us and full autoed both of us. And we were on different sides, so it's 2 different people.
Yeah.
Okay.
And they were M4s, but didn't the NMG.
Yeah, look, Ghost has got one of the face.
Yeah.
But is it pretty quite bad?
No, it's not too bad.
It's
Little
not
bit
too
of
bad. It's broken the skin, but
So I think the only way to deal with it is just half and maybe half the teams up.
yeah.
Half time, just so we've got half teams, half no teams.
Yeah, he asked permission to go off and tank a few shots just to see if they would take it.
And they're full autoed. Chuck up in full autoed.
Yeah, basket's over there by the tree.
6 metres as well, so they're ones to really have a word with today.
Yeah, I was saying to Nate down the corner, and I know when I'm not dead. So I turned up, walked up around, and I was like, I'm dead, trying to talk to them, and they were this far away, still shooting in the phone. I'm going, guys, I'm talking to you, and they're just going, they do it to me all the time. If I'm on their team, they'll shoot me.
Yeah, okay.
Don't worry about it, they do it all the time.
Get rid of the performance.
That's what I thought ask you this. Do it. And they said, if you've got, Chris, you've got 2 minutes, you can do it. Do it.
Do you want to take the sniper?
I'm going to go in here. I'm knackered.
But you see, we're still just discouraging everything.
Oh, you're bleeding.
Yeah, no, I ran for that building to do a hit check.